By the way, yung tour na to is Busan Day Tour. This area right here guys, wala ka ng option. Talagang ilalab. Hey guys, good morning. Third day here in Busan. So let's go get our breakfast. Ganda ng morning view from our hotel room. So kakain na tayo guys sa baba. Pero dala na namin yung gamit namin kasi dediretso na tayo. Medyo matagal yung elevator here. It's already 7:30 in the morning and yung tour natin is at 8:30. Yan, naghihintay na kami ng elevator. So medyo matagal siya. Anyway, yung temperature natin today is 5 degrees. Kanina pa yun. Yung chinek ko. I'm not sure if it changed. Pero yeah, doon lang naman naglalaro yung temperature since we came here in Busan. Breakfast guys. Yan. Walang masyadong dagdag. Actually, may nawala pa. Ay napalitan pala ng chicken yung kahapon na parang omelette. Liwanag. It's almost 8:10 guys. 8:10 actually yung pick up natin. Pero dito lang siya. Halos tatawid lang tayo. Yung exit number 6. Iyon, we're here. Ayun lang yung hotel. Tapos eto na yung meet up point for the tour. By the way, yung tour na to is Busan Day Tour. Eto na yata yung ating mga kasama. We're here.
Please get in the bus. Press the button.
I didn't. You're right, actually.
Hey guys, first stop, this is Hedong Yonggungsa Temple. And ang daming tao. Ito naman yung hagisan ng coins guys, ang daming tao.
after he faced the very big storm,
Second stopover, guys. This is yung skywalk, Daridal Skywalk. And we're geared. Naka-cover yung sapatos. Let's try it here. Nakakatakot. This area right here, guys, wala ka ng option. Talagang ilalaban mo na. Full na yung ano. Yan, full glass na here. Wala nang other option. Looks like I know the technique already. Wag kang tumingin sa baba. Pasta. We're here in E-Mart, guys. Ayan yung convenience store food for lunch. We're inside the capsule, guys.
about the brief information of Gwangan Bridge, and you 7,420 meters. It is the actually on our right side there is a
drink coffee. Hey guys, we're now here, Hinil Village. Ang daming iskinita, guys, pero they're all shops and kainan and cafe. From there, kapag ka dun titignan, this is looking like the Greece. Kasi tignan nyo, puro white yung facade. Hi guys, we're still here in Hanyol Culture Village and we found this little cafe. and we are going to try their gimbap and yung chive pancake. Nasa huling stop na tayo guys. This is Gamcheon Culture Village. It's getting colder again guys kasi paggabi na. And anyway, this is going to be yung last stop for this tour. So this is another culture village. Ang dami ding mga shops and mga kainan around. We're almost here at the end. Yung itsura ng mapa parang ang layo ng lalakarin pero hindi naman pala. So we're now going back to the parking lot and we were able to reach yung end nung mapa na to. Hindi mo pala siya ganun kalayo. Hey guys, we're back in Busan and nandito kami sa neighborhood Dunkin' Donut and we're trying some of their donuts na wala sa pins just for the sake of trying. Anyway, I think this is where I'm going to end this vlog as well. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my videos about South Korea only here in Vlogcenter. Until the next one. Guys, we tried to go out in pajamas. Ang lamig. It's almost 9 p.m. and it's 7 degrees. Cracky.